Hello, my name is Tosh. Today I will be talking about particle de. So you need de particle when you want to describe action in particular place. Let's see example sentences. First one, eat sushi in the restaurant. So you have action to eat and also place in the restaurant. So when you have action and place, you need to use the particle. Same for next one, watch Netflix at home. So we have action to watch and Netflix at home. We have place at home. So it doesn't matter if it's in the restaurant or at home. Whenever you have action with place, action is taking place at particular place, you need particle de. Same for next one, we have drink, action, and at cafe, place. So let's see how we make a sentence. Okay, first one, at restaurant. So restaurant, we can just say restaurant in Japanese, restaurant. And then we want the particle. Restaurant de, in the restaurant, sushi o tabemasu. Okay, that's how you make sentence. Same for next sentence. So watch Netflix at home. So home is uchi, is home, and then de, at home. Uchi de Netflix o mimasu. Okay, last one, same. Drink coffee at cafe. So you have place and action. So cafe, and then of course the particle de coffee o nomimasu. So when you have action and place, you need the particle between action and also place. Okay, so I hope this is how you use the particle. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, please give me some up and subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございます。じゃあまた。